In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download and create a Phantom wallet, guiding you through each essential step to get you set up quickly and efficiently. First, head over to the Phantom Wallet website. This is where our journey begins. Once you've reached the page, you'll see a prominent download button eagerly waiting for you. Go ahead and click on that. This will lead you to a page where you need to select your preferred platform. In this example, we are going to select Chrome to integrate it directly into your browser. Now, you should automatically be directed to the Chrome Web Store. Here, look for the Add to Chrome button, which will allow you to install the extension. Click Add Extension to confirm your selection. After you do this, you might notice a little delay. That's okay, just wait patiently as it can take a moment for everything to install properly. Once completed, you will see the Phantom Wallet icon appearing among your extensions in Chrome. Now that the extension is installed, it's time to create your wallet. You will be presented with two options, to create a new wallet or to use an existing one. For the purposes of this tutorial, we're going to venture down the path of creating a new wallet. Click on the Create a New Wallet option to start this process. Once you've done that, you'll be prompted to continue the account setup using your email. Choose Continue with Email and opt to select Google as your provider. Next, you'll need to select the email account you want to associate with your Phantom wallet. Once you've completed these steps, your account will be set up and linked to your chosen email. Upon successful setup, you'll be able to view your Phantom wallet homepage. Here, an array of functionalities awaits you. Right from your main page, you can see the tokens available. And if you're interested in transactions involving Solana, there's an option for that too. You can easily receive, send, swap, and even buy Solana through this platform. All of these actions are straightforward and easily accessible right from your homepage. Don't forget to click on your profile icon, which will lead you to the settings menu. Here, you can manage your accounts and fine-tune everything according to your preferences. The Phantom wallet provides a user-friendly interface, so feel free to explore and familiarize yourself with its features. Take your time to explore and understand the different functionalities Phantom wallet offers and enjoy the seamless experience it brings to managing your digital assets. And there you